What type of real estate should I invest in? It's a question I hear often as a top-tier realtor here in Northern Virginia. In part 2 of my video mini-series, the who, what, where, when, why, and how of real estate, we're going to talk about investing for real estate for beginners. You can grow your wealth with real estate investments, and in this video, you will learn 5 ways to invest. I'm Amy, and you're watching Life with Amy Now on my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in today, guys, and if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, as I just said that. I'm a realtor, and I'm specializing in the Northern Virginia area. I love real estate and I love to educate consumers all about the real estate process. So if you want to learn more about real estate or you just like to hear me talk in these videos, then please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Let's jump right in and talk about making money with real estate. The first real estate investment option I'm going to talk with you about is called crowdfunding. And if you are a newbie to the real estate investment world, it's something you may not be familiar with. And crowdfunding is just an online platform that connects real estate investors with real estate developers. You can expect these to come with a high level of risk. However, with high risk, you can usually expect a high return. One con with these types of investments is that your money is tied up for a long period of time, and if you need access to that money, you are not going to be able to get your money back quickly. Our second real estate investment option that I want to talk about are called real estate investment trusts. And these are bought and sold on major exchanges just like any other stock in the stock market. These will help investors afford to get into the non-residential investor platforms like investing in office buildings or malls, which are generally not feasible or available to private investors. Real estate investment trusts are a more formalized version of real estate investment groups, which I'm going to talk a little bit about next. But these can be a solid investment for those who desire a regular income. The third investment option I want to talk to you about are real estate investment groups. These can be ideal for those who want to own rental real estate without the hassle of running it. These do require a capital cushion and access to financing, but the positives with these are appreciation and income with a hands-off approach. Number 4 is a popular choice and what many investors seek out when they are first starting, and their rental properties. You can invest in these virtually anywhere, and they fall anywhere between short-term rentals like a vacation property all the way up to long-term rentals like a single-family home. If you have the upfront capital and the patience to manage tenants, then this option can provide regular income and offers many tax deductions on expenses. This is often the choice for many first-time investors. Number 5 is the last one I want to talk to you about today, and it is so popular on TV, but is it as easy as it looks? I am talking about house flipping, and if you want to become a flipper, it is essential that you learn about home valuation. You will want to have a deeper understanding of your market or work very closely with a realtor who understands this whole process and how it works alongside flipping homes. Flipping houses can pose a greater risk but can also deliver quick profits. Knowing the market is essential for being successful with this type of real estate investing. Okay, now that you know 5 ways that you can invest in real estate, next you might want to learn how to best buy a home in this highly competitive market. So I have a video all about that, 5 tips to buy a home in a very competitive seller's market. So I'll put the link for that in the description below. Another great video that's a great resource is the first video in this mini series, all about who should be buying and who should be selling, and there's some great tools I've listed in that video as well. So check out those next. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.